Did you know that you can easily grow your own dragon fruit plant from store-bought fruits? Let me show you how. Just start to cut some dragon fruits and pick some of the seeds. A nice little trick to speed things up is to take a sieve and use it to wash the seeds out of the pulp, like I did here with blueberries. Once you have the seeds, you can start to germinate them simply in tap water like I did here, or you put them on some cactus-friendly soil, which should consist of materials like sand, gravel, pumice, or perlite. Once my seeds germinated, I planted them into the soil. Make sure to water everything and fertilize the plant on a regular basis. Usually, it can take up to 5 years for the plant to bear fruits. Let us now watch how the plant grows for the first 210 days in time-lapse.